there! I'm Binky, a little bunny with a big problem. I've lost my family. But don't worry, I'm going to search all over the farm. Will you help me? Maybe I'll find them hiding among the animals. Let's go. And remember, keep your eyes peeled. You never know who might be hiding. Moo, that's a cow. Did you know cows have 4 stomachs? That's like a food roller coaster inside them. Could someone be hiding around here? Key. Ears up and look around. Have you found my brother? It's a horse. Guess what? Horses can sleep standing up. Imagine snoozing without lying down. Do you see anything strange? Maybe something's hiding behind that hay? Have you found my brother? That's a donkey. Donkeys are super smart. They can remember places for years. I've got a feeling. Do you see anything strange? Have you found my brother? Oink, muddy fun. Pigs roll in the mud to stay cool. It's like a mud spa. Maybe someone's playing hide and seek in the puddles. Take a good look. Have you found my brother? Meow. These are sheep, super fluffy. Sheep can remember faces, even owls. Could someone be hiding in that woolly crowd? Peek closely. Goats are climbing everything. Did you know goats can climb almost anything, even trees sometimes? Maybe someone's gone up high. Tilt your head and look up. Have you found my brother? Woof woof, that's a loyal dog. Dogs can understand over 100 words. That's a lot. Is something hiding near that house? Sniff around with your eyes. Have you found my brother? Meow, such a graceful cat. Cats can move their ears separately, like tiny radar dishes. Is something hiding near that house? Have you found my brother? Quack, quack! Ducks have waterproof feathers. The water just rolls off. Do you see something? Look carefully. Have you found my brother? Honk honk! That's a goose, very brave. Geese can guard the farm like watchdogs, really. Have you found my brother? Cock-a-doodle-doo. That's the rooster. His red comb is like a crown. What a farm king! Wait a second. What's that? An ear, a fluffy tail, another one over there. It's them! My family. You were all hiding the whole time. Thank you so much for helping me find them. If you had fun, give us a big thumbs up and don't forget to follow for more adventures. See you next time on the farm. Hop hop. Goodbye.